Everybody, we stopped in real fast here in SoHo at the Savant Experience Center. I wanted to give you a quick tour and show you around. Super cool place if you're ever in town. It is by appointment, but you can stop in and check and see a really cool Savant demo. They kind of demo in different applications, conference rooms, kitchens, bedrooms. They've got a really cool theater, so it's a fun space worth checking out if you're ever here in town. But we'll give you a quick tour. It'll be a lot of fun. Come with us.
Sort of underdressed video. This is what we call the residential side. You know, and the intention here is that all the technology is all around you, but it's not in your face or obtrusive. It blends in with the decor. There's a lot of touch panels in here, but they don't kind of jump out because of the way the decor's, made. And, here's a touch panel. It goes on when you walk up to it. You don't have to go up and touch it. It just, detects your presence. Alexa, turn on chill.
Okay.
And we're in this nice space, it's nice and brightly lit, and all of a sudden,
That's so cool.
everything changes. The curtains go down, the lights change, chill music turns on. If there was a, gas fireplace in here, which we don't have, but you can
It'd kick on, yeah.
Whoop, the fireplace would turn on. This is a hotel room.
Sure.
Don't really get to see, it's kind of small compared to the other side, which we're going to see in a minute, but it's just set up as a really kind of small system, a couple rooms. Another example here of True Image, but this time on the remote. So if I want to, let's say, do the left bed lamp, I can, turn it off from here. It goes off in the remote and in the real life, and I can turn it on again.
That's pretty cool.
There you go.
Movie time.
Movie time.
I get used to that real fast.
This is cool here. This is not us. This is a Sierra. I'm not
Sura.
Sura. Where it's
curved. That's pretty cool.
It's curved, but it's a it's a projector. So you've got the
Oh, that is cool.
yeah. But it's a great use of instead of taking up a wall, it takes up space in the closet. We could have had it. We could have it on a trigger that when you open the door, it turns off. There's another one in here if you guys want to go in all the way.
That's cool. That's cool. Well, especially because you have all the people that don't want to put one behind their mirror.
Yeah,
I mean, not like a projector is necessarily cheap, but
yeah, but it's still, So this is actually a TV wall.
Oh yeah, it is.
So it's 4 different TVs, and this is a user interface we did in True Control, the other older interface. I can have individual control here. I can say, hey, I want this second cable 1 screen. I want that to be big, so I can just say, hey, do that. It's a big screen, or I can control any individual TV that's in here to fit that.
Dude, that's sick. That's super clean and
Yeah, looks good.
well, and just kind of like glossy finish all the way around. That's fun.
Do I want to call upstairs? I don't. I want to use that to call outside to your phone.
Yeah.
I left my phone downstairs in the fitness room, and I just want to ask you to bring something home, and I could just, I think that's the.
I love the touches though. I think they're sweet.
Oh yeah. And we're gonna have the small one coming out, the Touch 3. That's the size of a.
Smaller than this, huh?
Oh yeah, it's the size of a regular keypad.
We'll get out of here. So we appreciate you.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Nice
It's
meeting
Tim,
you.
right?
Yeah.
Good to meet you in person.
Yeah, you too.
All right, so that wraps up our visit to the Savant Experience Center here in SoHo. If you're ever in town, highly recommend stopping by. It does have to be by appointment, but the team here is super cool, take good care of you, give you a really good experience, help you see what Savant's all about. And as always, we'd love it if you'd like, subscribe, and share this with your friends.